Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So this time we're going to discuss the segment of equities. Remember in the asset equation, asset is equals to uh, equities plus liabilities, right? So let's get in passing what is meant by equity. So equity, sometimes they call it they call it, yeah, it was invested. These are the stocks, bonds, mutual funds, UITF, United Investment Trust Fund, ETF, or any marketable securities. So that can be convertible. So sometimes they call it capital, easily pulled in from the investment. So equities represents the residual interest in the assets of a company after deducting liabilities. It reflects ownership and value in businesses. So we have common stocks. So represents ownerships in a company, giving shareholders voting rights in a claim on profits. We have common stocks and preferred stocks. No? Example, Apple issues 1 million shares common stock at 10 per share, raising 10 million in equity capital. So why there's an equity? So because investors buy common stocks to gain ownership in publicly traded companies. So listed in the Securities of Stocks and Exchange. Companies issue stocks to raise capital for expansion. So if they need capital, then people will going to uh, pay in advance and then the company will use it. We have a preferred stocks, so have a higher claim on assets and earnings than common shareholders, but typically lack of voting rights. So remember in the corporation as defined by the board of trustees. Example, Coca-Cola prepared shares that pay fixed dividends of $5 per share annually. So why preferred share used by investors who want stable dividends with less risk than common stock? Companies use preferred stock to raise funds while avoiding dilution and common shareholder. So remember this stable company, the blue chips. We have retained earnings, no? So as an equities. Profits a company keeps after paying dividends reinvested in the business for growth. Example, Tesla earns 1 billion in net income but distributes only 200 million as dividends. The remaining 800 million is retained earnings. So this is a reserve of the company. Application why there's that one retained earnings. So used for research, expansion, debt repayment, affects company's ability to fund future projects internally. So if the company have many retained earnings, so that means stable. Mostly blue chips company, Microsoft, IBM, Intel. We have owner's equity for sole proprietorship and partnership. So represents owners' personal investments and retained earnings in the business. Example, we have a small business owner invest 50,000 of to start a cafe. After 1 year, the cafe generates 330,000 profits. So increasing the owner's equity to 80,000 plus capital. So why there is that one owner's equity used in financial reporting for sole proprietorship and partnership determines the net worth of the business. Additional paid in capital, PIC, the amount investors pay for stock above its par value. For example, Microsoft, 1,000 shares with par value of $1, but sells them at 10. The $9,000 excess is recorded as APIC. So why there is that one? Increase company's equity without increasing liability, reflects investor confidence in the company's fund. We have treasury stocks repurchase shares that company buys back from investors, reducing the number of outstanding shares. So the company wants to have a total control. Facebook repurchased 5 million shares to boost stock value and retain control, reducing shareholder equity, because there is a probability that the when major investors came, so they will have more number of shares. So they will gain control of the company. So remember, corporation is a number game. Those who have more shares, the one that will control the operations and ownership of the company. That's happening in Apple. Okay? Application used to increase stock price by reducing supply can be issued later to raise capital. So they take it back from the investors, and then they can sell it once they need capital again. Okay, those are the equities now. So remember, equities, these are capital used by the company. So thank you for staying with me. We'll continue on the next session. Stay around. Thank you.